Hey bunnies, for today's video we're going to be talking about the hair that I'm wearing right now. This is going to be like an initial review, and then I'm going to come back next week to do a follow-up review on this hair. So the name of the hair is Dominican 7. I got it from my local beauty supply store. It was $29.99 and I have it in the color TT30. So the hair is a human hair blend. It does take heat up to, I believe, 375 degrees. I haven't tried putting heat on it as yet. That will be in the review coming up. The lengths are 18, 20, and 22 inches. This is how far down the hair comes on me. It's a little bit past my waist. Let me bring it all to the front. It does say like pre-bleached, pre-dyed, pre-whatever, all that good stuff. But it's not like you could do that to the hair anyways, because it is a human hair blend. It does have synthetic. So if you were to bleach it or dye it, it wouldn't take it at all. Now, like I said, the length, it comes all the way down a little bit past my waist, which I like. And then the color is really good too. It comes with an extra wide closure. I know some of them come with the regular, skinny closure, but this one is an extra wide. So it comes all the way to my temples, and then it goes all the way back here to like the tip of my head, the top, the crown. That's right here off of my head. That's how far back the part goes. Now the 18-inch and the closure, those come ombre, but the 20 and the 22, they come in a solid 30. You guys already know how I feel about that. I like when everything is ombre, so that's a little bit of a down for me. But when it's on, you don't really, it blends, I think, really nicely once the breeze don't blow and push it back like that. Now, as far as tangling goes, I did get a little bit of tangling, nothing too crazy, but because of the synthetic that is in there, it's so silky that as soon as you move, it starts to get a little bit knotted up. I find that I have to keep combing through it just so that it stays smooth and looks good. I did make this into a wig. I used the hot glue gun method to make this, and it took me like an hour to do, and then just slip it on my head. I have my hair braided back with a stocking cap underneath. It's not glued down, it's not anything down, so it's not doing any damage to my hairline or my hair at all. So I can take this off at night, put my sleep cap over my head, or oil my hair, whatever I need to do to my hair to keep it healthy. As far as shedding goes, because I did cut the tracks to put it onto the cap, there was some shedding, of course, because, again, it's not the highest grade hair. But running my fingers through it, there is not that much shedding happening right now. I think everything already shedded out from the initial making of the wig. So as far as shedding, very little. Like nothing is coming onto my fingers right now. But you can see it's starting to tangle right there. See that? Yeah, but the hair is gorgeous. I'm gonna leave it in for another week or two, and I'm definitely gonna come back next week to give the final update on this hair. But so far so good. Again, this is the, well, you saw it in the title, the Dominican 7 in the straight. I know they have one called, I think, a blowout. This is the straight, regular straight. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If there's something that you want me to include in the follow-up video, leave it in the comment section below. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time. Yo, forget that update. There's no update coming next week. This hair is trash. Do not buy this hair. This hair, I've only had it in for 3 days. I just came home off the road, and look at that. Look at how tangled this hair is. Like, what is this mess? What is this? I feel like it wants to be synthetic hair so bad. For a human hair blend, this is horrible. Horrible. The only thing it does, it takes heat really well. But other than that, this hair is trash. Okay? Don't waste your money. Don't waste your $29.99 on this hair. It's trash. Unless you want something to be cute for a couple hours max. Unless you want to be walking around with a comb all day, combing through this hair so that it can stay cute, don't guess it. I don't even like the closure. The closure isn't bad. I'm not even gonna lie, the closure isn't bad, but the hair itself, trash. Okay, spend your money somewhere else. Invest in some good hair, because this is not what it is. Maybe because it's straight. Maybe if it was curly, it wouldn't be so bad. But this hair is trash. So don't expect an update next week. All right, love you. Peace sign and kissy face. Bye.